Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
In
Good
our
morning.
weddings, we have done lot of people we have invited for wedding invitations. We have denied many wedding invitations. The wedding season is over now. So we'll move on to the second kind of formal invitations. Though we have done it long back, but I know how many of you remember it still. So we had done formal wedding invitations, we had done formal denials, we had done informal denials. Very quickly, before I start the next thing, what is the main difference between a formal and an informal denial?
Ma'am, in formal deny, we don't give specific reasons, but in informal we do.
Excellent. Informal we do. One more difference. Can someone give me? This is related to the format. There is format when we write. What is that difference?
Ma'am, subject,
Ma'am, address.
Yes, Peter. It is the address. Address we generally avoid when we are writing the we are writing the formal denials. Be very careful about this, that we need to keep in mind that these are the two main differences, especially when we are talking about the wedding invitations and wedding denials. Now we are going to move on to a different kind of a writing invitation.
Ma'am, what was the difference of address?
Who spoke?
Ma'am, what was the difference of address?
But who is asking? May I know your name, please?
Abhay.
Abhay, you should not ask this. You were always present. Come on, somebody, answer him. Nobody? You want me to answer? Nobody can answer what Abhay is asking. Very good. Last time I'm asking, can anybody answer?
What is the question?
Beta,
What
when
Abhay is
we...
asking?
Abhay, what Abhay is asking? Abhay, ask again, okay.
What's the difference of address in formal and informal?
In formal, we don't write address. In informal, we have to write the address.
Yes.
Perfect.
That is the way.
Perfect, Beta. When you're giving a formal denial that yes, you are regretting, showing your regret, I'll not be able to come, you don't need to write your address. But in informal denials, you're writing your friend, see, I'll not be able to come. This is the reason why I'm not able to come. So there you need to mention your address on the left side on the top. Clear, Abhay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you 1 minute. Just read quickly. Let me discuss.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ruchi.
Ma'am, how can we know our overall attendance percentage?
The mails have been dispatched. The registered letters are going today. So within 2-3 days, you will get to know how many of you have short attendance. But exact attendance, if somebody wants to know, you can message me personally. I have a record. Danish sir has a record. We'll match it. Because when your board registration thing is being checked, after that, the next thing which CBSE asks is your attendance. So sir has already sent some mails yesterday. He is sending some mails today also. Did anybody receive it? Those who are in the class?
Ma'am, no mail.
Who is this? Yashasvi. Yashasvi, but your name was there. I checked. Principal sir sent some names to me yesterday, to whom he said he's sending mails and registered letters. Yashasvi, your name was also there in it. I remember your name was there. Who else is there in the class?
Ma'am, Shriyansh.
Shreyansh, your name was not there.
His name was not there.
Siddharth.
Shreyansh's name was not there. Harsh Deshwari, your name was not there. But I remember
Ma'am,
Yashasvi.
Ritik,
Ritik, I don't think it was there.
I'm
Not
Siddharth.
sure, but I'm sure Ritik was not. Siddharth, your name was not there. I read about Vishal, Vivek,
Abhay,
Abhiroop, Yashasvi, Saransh, Utkarsh. So the first lot, yesterday there were 11 names.
ma'am, for what?
Sir, short attendance after CBSE
Ma'am,
registration checked.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
Abhay name was there.
No, Abhay's name was not
Abhay's
there.
name was there.
No, you want me to put it?
No, ma'am, just
Then
confirming.
be happy, na? Your name was not there. First warning letters, sir has already sent yesterday registered letters. He'll also be mailing today.
That's why they are asking for the address.
Acha, they asked for address.
Yes, ma'am. I think, ma'am, they are sending
on the
letters.
group, on the group, sir, mention the name of your
Yes, ma'am.
student.
Ah,
Yesterday.
then you
Not
understand. Very
few,
good.
many.
So all
Not
those,
few, many.
yes, very good. So all those जिनका address लिया गया है, they'll be getting a gift today or by tomorrow. Gausia, your name was also there. I don't know if she's there in the class or not, but her name was also there. So you'll get registered letters. Registered letter means it's an evidence that school had already informed you that your attendance is less. So tomorrow if the school stops you from appearing in board examinations, the school is very clean, very safe on their part. They have already sent a first warning letter. So all those who gave address yesterday, be careful. You must be knowing whoever gave.
And ma'am, in maths
Abhi-
class, everyone marked present on their group and only 12 students or 13 students are there in the class.
No, but sir
And
is doing,
sometimes only 5. Ma'am, no
Yes, ma'am.
commerce
Only
student.
5, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
sir
No,
is doing
never.
the attendance accordingly. Even I am now started doing the same thing. I do not mark those students absent to write on the group. Only those students who are present in the class, I just mark them present. See, this is the only 1.5 month. You can cover up your attendance, those who got
Yes,
short
ma'am.
attendance, and those who have full attendance, enjoy your life. Another 10 days, 15 days syllabus is over, then you can stop attending
And
the
ma'am,
classes.
each and every
Then,
student is
ma'am,
of science.
we have
No
holidays.
common students.
Hmm?
Ma'am, you said na, after 1 month, it's only for 1 month.
By 15th October, I spoke to all the teachers, most of them. 15th October, maximum agar hoga, to you'll have one period of mathematics, which maybe it continues. But all other syllabus will get completed by 15th October. That is what all the teachers told me.
Ma'am, then
PG
what will
optional,
happen?
then revisions will start. But there will be
And
one
then
thing,
you
na
can
beta.
skip the classes.
Dekho, your attendance will go to CBSE. It will go somewhere by 31st. They check up to 31st October, they'll take the attendance. So you have to ensure that your attendance is perfect till CBSE is asking for the details of the attendance. The letters are issued because you still have in hand 1 month. You can cover up somewhere. That is why the first warning letters are generally issued to you people. Those who are having short attendance
Ma'am.
can cover up. Have you
Ma'am, please check your WhatsApp.
Excuse me, ma'am, the last line, ma'am, what is written, ma'am? A line is
Okay, chalo, let's discuss this. See, this is a very formal invitation, but this
Last
is not a
line.
wedding invitation. I'm discussing with you each and every line. Don't worry. Chalo.
A
See,
line in reply or
if I'm not wrong, others are also able to hear the same musical tone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is this beautiful voice?
Hello,
Ma'am,
Melodious.
Ritik Kumar.
Ma'am, there is some technical error.
Signal
network
problem.
issue, network.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Ritik, I think Ritik's name was also there, if I'm not wrong. This reminds me.
no, ma'am.
Hello, beta.
Ma'am, Ritik is regular.
My attendance is, ma'am, good. I am regular.
Now your voice is okay.
Ma'am, it is network issue, ma'am. 49 kb per second
I
only.
just did this bluff. I wanted to see कि network issue है या ऐसे ही हो रहा है. Anyways, beta.
No, ma'am.
See, this is a formal invitation. This is not a wedding invitation. If you can see very clearly over here, we have this name of the school is there, address is there, city name is there. What is the difference here? Can you see this? Normally, when we write formal letters, do we use 3 lines? Normally, when we
No.
write our address, we never take 3 lines. We only take. Yes.
Two
So
lines.
here, yes, beta, here you can also utilize 2 lines. There is no problem. That is what I'm trying to tell you. It could have simply been Sarvodaya Public School, Shikohabad, and the pin code. I would suggest that is a better way of doing it. Don't do the second line. But if you want to do, you can do this. The second thing which you're coming to is your date. Everybody knows how to write date. We've been practicing this entire year. Now we are coming to the main part, beta. This is your receiver's name and address. We again need not give a specific address because here they've taken the name as Mr. P.K. Singh. He's the district magistrate. Here it could have simply been Shikohabad. Civil lines is again not needed over here. Okay? Am I okay, beta? Clear? Civil lines is not needed. Everybody knows district magistrate. We are not going to send him by post. How are generally DMs and all invited for invitations? Is it a registered letter which goes? How are they called?
Phone
Anybody
call
knows?
or something.
Normally,
Calling
head
by
boy, head
calling
girls are
email.
involved in this.
I'm
Beta,
calling
this
them
year your
personally.
batch,
That's all.
because of pandemic, there is no head boy, there is no head girl, there is no function. Otherwise, normally what happens is the principal, the head boy, and the head girl. We take an appointment from the chief guest office. His PA gives us a time. The head boy, head girl, and the principal, they go with a wedding invitation, a flower, bouquet, or whatever.
Ma'am, wedding
And then,
invitation.
not wedding invitation, bache, I spoke
Ma'am,
wrong.
you said this.
Ma'am, you said wedding
Ah,
invitation.
yes, yes. So wedding invitation, so I cannot give a DM. He must be already married. Chalo, आगे चलते हैं. So this is the district magistrate. We just need to name the city. So they go, then they give him this letter personally. That is why I'm saying that these are not needed. Can you tell me why this is not needed? E7 New Model Town, the address of the school, why this is not needed?
Ma'am, because anyone can Google where the school is in the city.
Yes, and then the DM is going or the SSP or some senior official is going. He's got all the drivers who will be navigating before he
Yes,
leaves. That where he has to go. The traffic police is informed prior that see the DM would be coming. So there should be no traffic jams. You'll be amazed to see how administration works in India, beta. I don't know how many of you have seen closely. I have been associated with this for the last 22, 23 years since I've got married. I'm telling you, beta, if there is a life in this country, it is because of these bureaucrats. It's a wonderful life. You should see what a life these people live. Why I'm telling you this is just to motivate you that work hard, reach such a level, and you see what life is actually. They are the kings of the present era, if I say. If I say this, I'm not wrong anywhere. If you see the life of a district magistrate of a city, he's like the king of the entire city. You know, he can check anything. He can ask for any details. He can open any area, any school. He has the authority to close schools. markets, localities. So if you see, he is the supreme power if I say it is not wrong. How many of you targeting for civil services?
Maybe I'm a cousin. Maybe.
Maybe. Beta, maybe nahi hota hai isme. This is all blood and sweat. It has to be a firm decision. Then you isolate yourself. Be seriously dedicated towards it. And at times, if you feel ki nahi, I'm not able to study so much, then think about the position of a person who is sitting on this chair. That will be the best motivation to you. If a DM has to go as a chief guest, first you have to contact his PA. The PA will give you a time. Then you go there, you wait for him. He'll give you, and the PA will tell you, see, you are getting 3 minutes, you're getting 2 minutes, you're getting 4 minutes. According to your importance and the topic for which you're going to meet him. The PA will tell you, brief you before only. Okay, they have PAs, they have readers. Readers, they do what work? They read everything. Before a letter is presented to the DM, they read everything. They prepare notes. It is not his job to read everything. He just scans once and then he signs it. He cannot read so many things. So if you're given 2 minutes, you're expected that you will meet him and talk to him only for 2 minutes because there are more people waiting for him. So this is the level of a DM. We don't need to mention this address over here. I was saying we don't need to mention where the DM lives because the invitation generally goes personally. Where does the DM Bareilly live?
DM compound.
Yes,
DM
ma'am.
compound. Where is it?
In civil lines.
Civil lines.
Yes, normally it doesn't say. Who is the DM?
Nitish Kumar.
No, it's not
Yes,
Nitish.
Pita?
Right now he's
Nahi.
Very good. I'm impressed. You don't know the district magistrate of Bareilly, children? One
Ma'am, I
chocolate.
know the name. I'm just forgetting the name.
Nobody
I think
knows the name of the DM Bareilly.
I think
he's
Vikram
Nitish
Singh.
Kumar only. Yeah, Nitish Kumar.
Eh?
yes,
No,
ma'am,
you.
Nitish Kumar.
Nitish
But
Kumar.
madam-
Yes, ma'am. Nitish Kumar.
It is Nitesh Kumar only. He was
Ma'am,
in
Ruma
news. So
Yes,
much
ma'am.
he
He
was
was
in
in
news
news
last week.
recently. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Why
sir,
was he?
Nitish
Why
Kumar.
was he in news? Why was he in news
Ma'am,
so
he
much?
was COVID positive.
Yes, he and his mother, both of them were COVID positive.
But he
Even
was
the
affected
third
by
report.
coronavirus.
Yes, even the third report came positive for DM sir. So he was in news, so we should all know his names. We are done. We'll take 2 lines over here. Sender's address. We have written the date. Then we'll take 2 lines. Name, of course, has to be there as an honor. Then district magistrate, the name of the city. That's all. Now it's a formal subject, so you write subject. Invitation for annual sports day. And now we'll start, Beta. Look at this invitation that we are writing. We are inviting him for the sports day. Let's start. Respected sir, it's a matter of great pride that our school is celebrating its 25th annual sports day on this and this date. Again, I'm saying there is no need to copy as such. You can make your own sentences, that would be better. But what you need to write in the first sentence is, look here, what is written on the left side, the event or the occasion. You have to immediately mention in the first line that what is the event that you are discussing or you're mentioning about. Here, what is the event in the first sentence, beta? Tell me.
Annual sports day.
and sports.
What is special about the sports day?
It's 25th annual sports day.
Yes. Yes. On every sports day, maybe they will not come. So we are emphasizing that this is a special sports day for us. And it is special because it is the 25th annual sports day.
Sports.
When we come to the second sentence, we shall consider it a great favor, or honor would have been a better word. I don't know why favor they have written. See, you'll come across different books. So I say don't learn from the books. They're not always correct. We shall consider it as a great honor. That would be a better word. If you could grace the occasion by presiding over the function as a chief guest and give away the prizes. So what all we did, beta? We did this, we did date, we did receiver's name, we did the subject, then we did the salutation. Salutation has always to be respected, sir. Then you mentioned about the event and occasion. And the second sentence you mentioned about the date, time, and the venue. Next is soliciting a line in reply or an email at Sarvodaya Academy. This you will never write. Is it okay for everybody? Please remove this permanently from your memory also. We cannot tell the DM to reply back to send us an email to inform us, because we have the other people under him who will tell us, decide and mail. That is something very normal. If they accept the invitation, they will send a brief work profile of the person, like where he was posted earlier. And have you ever attended a function in the school where the DM has been the chief guest?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what do we read out? When he comes, we read out something. What do we read out?
Ma'am, like all his achievements and all,
Yes, very good.
like what
All
he
his
has, on what
achievements.
all
Mhm.
post he has served till now.
Too good. And where he has served, what post he has served,
Yes,
and what
ma'am.
are his achievements, we read out all these things. So his PA, if he accepts the invitation, he will inform us that yes, sir will be coming, and then he will send those details to us. They are always sent by the office. So those details reach the school authority. So this line has not to be written. Please keep in mind. Yours faithfully, the invitation will go from whom? Tell me. Here.
Principal.
Principal, because official authority of the school is always principal. Okay, here we could have mentioned, we could have made it better by mentioning the management, principal and students, okay, would consider it as a great,
Ma'am,
would be greatly honored. Here you could have added better. Okay,
ma'am,
if you want you can add it.
if we mention director in place of principal, then it is fine.
No, beta. Director is not the official authority of any institution. Official authority of an institution is always the principal. Any letters which go to CBSE are always accepted only if they are signed by the principal. But if we want to give honor, we want to show more of our respect, we should have written over here the management, principal, or the director. We could have written like this: the director, the management. We should start with management. The management, the director, the principal and the students would be greatly honored if you could grace the occasion. If we want,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
can mention it over here, beta. But over here, the official inviting authority is always the principal only. Have you seen annual function cards going to your house? How many of you even bother to read them?
Yes, ma'am. I have that.
They always go from the principal. Okay? Officially, all the invitations have to go from the principal. So sender's name and designation we already have. Here we need not mention the name of the principal. If you want, the name will come over here. If you want the name of the principal, then his authority. And this is not needed, again I'm telling you. Sarvodaya Vidya, this public school is not needed over here. Can you tell me why?
Ma'am, because we have already
Above.
written this above.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we've
So
already
therefore,
written this. So yes, there is no need to write this also. Okay, chalo, let's go down. Look
What
at
about
this.
principal's name?
हाँ बेटा इसके ऊपर लिखो. If you want, you can write it here. Here, you'll have the name here, yours faithfully, the name and then the designation, that is principal. Okay, there you can take. Now see this. What is the difference between this and the previous one?
ma'am, this is a sort of unofficial invitation.
A
Means
kind of,
informal.
yes,
A type of, means it is, I
yes,
think, for
yes.
the parents, the way they give to students.
Ma'am, it's for general.
Excellent, excellent. This is a general one. This is not inviting some big designatory person, some very honorary person. We are not calling any person who is the guest of honor. This is a general invitation. See how we are starting. The principal, staff and students of Apex Public School, we have, see, even if we have director, we could have taken here director also. Okay, remember we can take director if we have a director in the school, because this is an informal kind of invitation. Though over here, it will always be the principal. Is it okay?
Yes.
We'll start from here. You could have taken it over here. The director, the principal, staff and students of, a little bold if you see the name of the school is coming. No pin is needed over here. We don't need to have a pin number over here. Take great pleasure because the parents know. So no address is needed. Since this is generally going to the parents, we need not mention the address of the school. Take great pleasure in inviting to a musical evening. This is the name of the evening that they have kept. 6 p.m., 24th November, this in the school auditorium. So time, date, venue is already mentioned. The official invitee is going to be the principal. And we need not mention the name of the school again over here because we have this already mentioned here. We are giving a little more details about the program, that the musical concert is going to start at 6 p.m. so that it will be followed by dinner at 9, so that the parents get to know the duration, how long is going to be the concert. So got the difference between the first and the second one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pita.
Ma'am, are we allowed to use colors there or will it be like black
No,
and blue?
no. Beta, I'll tell
Only
you one
blue.
thing. Never use this black, blue, reds and greens. When you are in a senior class, always avoid doing this. Maximum a box with a pencil. That is the only thing which makes your work impressive. Have you seen topper sheets on CBSE site? Anybody has seen?
Ma'am,
No?
one time I'd seen of science. Science I'd seen.
English has anyone seen topper sheets?
Ma'am, 10s and 10s.
10th class.
Chalo, theek hai. Tomorrow I'll prepare one writing section ka PDF of toppers and I'll show you how things are written. That is more important, children. Okay, I'll certainly do it and I'll show it to you tomorrow how beautifully, and what is the main difference between a toppers answer sheet and a normal answer sheet. You will realize once you see them. You don't waste your time. I'll just prepare a PDF and I'll show you tomorrow. I'll show you what makes a difference when we check. See this. Here we have, now tell me the difference between those two and this. This is St. Agnes Public School. Mr. Inder Sudama, he's the MP Alwar. What do you mean by MP?
Member of Parliament.
Member of Parliament.
Yes, Member of Parliament. Subject is again the same, invitation for judging an inter-school one-act play competition. Respected sir, we shall be obliged if you could spare some time from your busy schedule to be the chief guest for our Silver Jubilee one-act play competition. Did you notice one thing, children? If you're inviting somebody very big, designation-wise, then the event that you're writing should be made special. How did we make that event special when we invited the DM?
Ma'am, 25th.
Ma'am, 25th.
25th.
Yes,
The Silver
25th.
Jubilee.
And how are we making this event a special one? It's not a normal one-act play competition. It's a Silver Jubilee. Yes. Another thing you must have noticed is whenever we have some competition kind of a thing, you can give a name to this. Like earlier, they had named the musical concert as?
Tarana.
Yes, it was Tarana. And here they have named the one-act play competition as what? Rangmanch. Why did we not name it as Tarana? Why one-act play competition is not Tarana?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because
because
Tarana
Tarana
related
is
to
something related to music.
Yes.
So please don't do कि if this comes to wo naam yaad reh gaya, so let me write Tarana only. Or if it's a drama competition or a debate competition, don't name it as Tarana because we had done one in the class, so let's name that. So don't do that. Keep in mind what is the competition and accordingly give the name. Okay, tell me if it's a dance competition, inter-school dance competition, what name would you give?
Ma'am, Nritya.
Nritya is the
2020.
translation of dance. Huh?
Prabhudeva 2020.
Prabhudeva 2020. And what about the girls? How will they participate? They will become what? Who is she? Saroj Khan 2020.
Yes.
Don't be gender biased. Give a name. See, where are your creative skills gone? Everybody.
Bareilly's best.
That's best answer.
Ma'am,
Bareilly's best.
Getting any names.
What? One by one. Yashasvi gave something. What was
Ma'am,
it?
Tal pe Tal. Tal
Tal
pe Tal
pe?
for Hindi. Tal.
For Hindi, you can always give the name in Hindi. It's not an issue. Tal pe Tal. Chalo, it's okay. Anybody else would give any name?
Bareilly's
Ma'am,
If you're
moves
not
on
able to.
2020. Ma'am, moves on
What?
2020. Moves.
What will?
Dance moves on.
Acha. Since 2020. Badhiya. Nice one. Now, if there is a science exhibition, one last one. Think and tell me what name can you give? Science exhibition.
Ma'am, innovation to 20.
Innovation. Yes, innovation is a nice one.
Kishore
Yes.
Vaigyanik
Anything else?
Protsahan Yojana.
Which Yojana?
Kishore
Kishore Vaigyanik
Yojana.
Protsahan Yojana.
Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. We have a
KVPY.
scholarship also, no? We have a
KVPY, which
scholarship
is a
also.
KVPY.
competition.
KVPY.
Yes.
Right.
How many of you applied for it?
Ma'am, last year we gave it.
Last year.
Last year you
Last
gave.
year we gave it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Nobody
ma'am.
no
got
one was
selected.
selected. Ma'am, no one was selected from whole
Selected
Bareilly.
from whole Bareilly.
Hari, this is very disheartening for Bareilly.
Ma'am, most of the selections were from South India only in the national finals, while in the interview round, but in those rounds, very few were there from UP also. Most of the selections were from other state.
The scenario is different, beta. When you talk about education, it's very different in South India and UP.
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
though, if we say something,
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
the status. You see the status of the class only. You can understand what it is. How many are there officially in the meeting at this time? On paper,
Ma'am,
26.
26. And how many speaking? Hardly
24.
three.
Ma'am,
Maybe
26, out of which 2 IDs are yours. Means 24
Imagine.
students.
24. And how many are speaking?
Anyone?
2 or
5, 6.
No.
5, 6.
Me, I'm Kazam.
so 2 plus 4.
Ma'am,
Can
same
let's
thing
say
happens in maths class.
Yes, ma'am.
that
Student
is
is
what
very
I'm
low.
saying now.
Ma'am, 12
That day I
students,
saw
hardly 3.
And then no common students comes in
And
maths
ma'am, not
class.
even a single commerce
Why
student
are you saying
attend
Siddharth?
maths class. I
I'm
don't
from
know why.
Roman.
today they were not there.
Ma'am,
You are
not
what?
today, ma'am.
What
From
today?
last
Every
1 week.
day.
Every day.
Ma'am, it is the same story of February. Yeah, every day, same
Ujjwal, are you
story.
there? Ujjwal, commerce section, are you there?
Ma'am,
Is
I
he
am
there?
also there, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Ujjwal, you are there, beta?
Ma'am, I am
Who is this
also
from your-
there.
Who is this? Aye.
Vansh.
Vansh. Chalo, Vansh, very good. But is Ujjwal there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ujjwal, you don't go for your maths class.
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am, I am
another
non-maths.
Ujjwal. Yes,
The
CS
other
is
one.
optional subject. This Ujjwal.
Yes.
Yesterday, when I had posted the timings for
This
the
is
classes, that Ujjwal had specifically mentioned that please take care, ma'am, that my maths class is not missed. He had posted this message on the
Oh.
group.
And ma'am, not even a single commerce student attend maths class from last
Ma'am.
15 or 16 days. Ma'am, I am taking
15 days.
screenshot daily. I am taking screenshot daily of all the participants. I can send you those screenshots even now.
Good, good.
Yesterday
Send
I
me after
sent you
class.
only, ma'am. Yesterday I sent you. Yes, ma'am. Only six were there. And ma'am, they all say that science students are planning to boycott these and that classes.
Yes, ma'am. Teachers say
And ma'am,
that.
we are attending
are
from
always
April
taking
regularly.
science students.
And ma'am,
That is
always
why-
science
that is
students
why-
are questioned.
Always science
Ma'am,
students.
and always
name-
science students are questioned,
And then you
ma'am.
can see, ma'am,
Yes,
who are
ma'am.
more regular.
But
Ma'am,
if
you
you
can-
remember in the meeting, I said very clearly, commerce
Yes,
students, do
ma'am.
you have a problem? They don't have a problem because they don't come only. If they're
But
not
ma'am,
coming only, then where is the
fingers
problem?
are on us, na?
Said that.
Ma'am, but ma'am,
And
the
here also
fingers
they
are
are in
on us that
minority.
you are planning.
You send me the screenshots. Let me forward them to
Yes,
principal sir
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
That would be better. Let me forward it to principal sir. He should also see na what is happening. Here only Vansh is present from commerce or somebody else is also there. Vansh, anybody else from your class?
Ma'am, Ujjwal.
Well,
Ujjwal, the other Ujjwal is there. But a bada
Yes,
Ujjwal,
ma'am.
lot of confusion is there. How do I differentiate between both the
The
Ujjwals?
guy without respects.
well, part 2.
But when you send your answer sheets, you never write part 1, part 2. Last time in exam also I got so confused.
Ma'am, he's Ujjwal Agarwal.
And who is the other one?
Ma'am, you can differentiate with the spelling.
When both are Agarwal.
Both are Agarwal.
One
both
is
are
WAL and other is UAL.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The spelling is UJJUAL. This is mine. And the other one is UJJAWAL.
The one who's
Yes.
added in the
Yes, sir,
added in the
right.
topper batch is which one? W1 or U1?
Ma'am, W1.
W, I think so.
So that W1 had yesterday mentioned on the group Ma'am, please ensure that we don't miss out our mathematics classes. Acha. Now today I'll call him. I'll take the screenshots you sent me and I'll ask him, Beta, how many classes you attend. Now I know. Let me speak to him also.
Ma'am, you can ask sir also, ma'am. Who responds?
Yes, ma'am.
He knows our
But the
name.
disappointing part is that the attendance in physics and chemistry is also very less. That is the most disappointing
No, ma'am.
part.
Ma'am, now the attendance has gone very high. Ma'am, earlier there used to be 19 or
Last
20
week,
students, but now,
yes,
ma'am, 25, 26 students are there regularly.
Beta, out of how many? Out of 60 students.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
25 students are attending, now you're saying
Ma'am,
it
but
has become very
previously it
good.
used to be 17, 16.
Huh. I saw last week it was somewhere the same, 16, 17, 16, 17, even in physics and chemistry.
Ma'am, please tell
That is
Yashasvi
really,
to attend the classes.
this is really disheartening because English, though I still assume, okay, you people will be able to do. If I just grill you in the last 15 days also, I know you'll be able to cover up. But I wonder you people are not taking PCM classes. You're not even regular for that when the syllabus is not done.
Yes, ma'am. In
Imagine
maths, only 12 or
Students
13.
are always regular. I mean,
Ma'am.
physics, chemistry, and math. And
Who?
these people are always regular. And the people who attend the classes, 16, 17 students, they're always regular. Others are not.
Yes, those
Yes,
Ma'am,
those who are
those were
regular
speaking
are
now.
regular.
yes,
Those who
ma'am.
are not regular in any of the classes. I don't know this. I just have
Yes,
assumed
ma'am.
it. Anji beta, this Rangmanch 5th October, kindly confirm your acceptance by 20th October and oblige. Please don't write this. We cannot give a deadline to the MP that you tell us by this date. Otherwise, we will call somebody else. We cannot say this. Okay? This has not to be done. And please don't do this, Vice Principal. Don't do this also. Always send an invitation by the name of the principal only. So there are some mistakes here. So 3 kinds of invitations we discussed today. Which was the first one? This is to some government official. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes,
Haan beta, this is a government official. Can you give me one more example apart from district magistrate? If I'm going to invite, then I'm going to use this format.
Ma'am, ADM.
DSP.
ADM city. We can take. There are many ADMs actually. There are many ADMs in one city.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you mention it as ADM 1 or ADM city, something like that. Any
Ma'am,
other
are they
authority?
numbered?
Yes, Pita?
Ma'am, are they numbered or we
Beta,
differentiate by name?
they are given circles. They are given areas.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
like
like
ADM city and ADM
yes.
rural area, like ADM Dehat or something like that.
Yes, exactly. They are given like even like the police officers. We have one SP city who takes
Yes,
care
ma'am.
of the
That's
city
true.
area,
Yes, ma'am.
and we have one person who takes care of the rural area. So similarly, these ADMs also they have been assigned areas. See, the DM is the head. He keeps changing the circles. He keeps changing the areas. Like in police, we have SP city. We've got an SPRA. SPRA means Superintending Police Rural Area. Similarly, we have ADM city, we've got ADM rural area, we've got ADM industrial area. There are so many ADMs. So ADM is a junior this thing compared to the DMs. Any other high authority? Siddharth, beautiful. Are you drawing an ADM?
And brigadier.
Commissioner?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Commissioner would be the
Ma'am, do
senior
we have
most
to
officer.
join the same link? Meeting was going to end in 1 minute.
Arey beta, let
Yes.
it end now. No issues. Today we have a meeting in the school also.
Ma'am, we want to
I'll be
spend
going
more
there.
time with you, ma'am. Ma'am, we want to spend more time with you.
चलो स्कूल मिलते हैं ना कम आई एम कमिंग टू स्कूल लेट्स कैरी
No,
कोविड
ma'am,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, we are fine, ma'am. We are fine. Let the meeting end.
yesterday my maid was coughing I told her not to come so since morning I'm doing this only I'm sweeping and doing utensils also things have become and I'm in panic that I hope